Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your recently watched and recently liked video on Instagram. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. For example, I like this video and I watched this video now right now now like this video and watch this video. If I refresh this page, now here you can see this video is not available here. How you can see your recently watched and recently like it video on Instagram. This is very quick and easy. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. Now first of all, you have to tap on your profile icon. After that, you have to type on top right three lines. Click on these three lines top right. Click on these three lines. After that, you have to type or tap on your activity. Click on this your activity. After that, click on likes. Here you can see click on like. After that, here you can see my recently watched and recently liked video on Instagram. In this way, you can check your recently watched and liked video on Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.